Welcome to today's episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and with me is Alex, an expert in maintenance management and IoT. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic. Why does the manufacturing industry require asset maintenance management software? Alex, it's great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. It's a topic I'm passionate about, and I'm excited to discuss it.
Alex, let's dive right in. Why is asset maintenance management software becoming a must-have in manufacturing?
Well, Bruce, manufacturing processes heavily rely on many assets, including machinery, equipment, and tools. Efficient asset management ensures these resources are utilized optimally, minimizing downtime, reducing maintenance costs, and extending their lifespan.
Absolutely, downtime is a big deal, but beyond just keeping machines running, what's the real game changer with this software?
It's the predictive aspect, Bruce. Traditional methods react to problems. Asset maintenance management software, like Cryotos CMMS, anticipates them. It uses data to predict when a machine might fail, allowing for proactive maintenance. This shift from reactive to proactive is a game changer.
That sounds like it could save a lot of time and money. But what about the implementation? Is it a complex process?
Good question. It's a process, but not necessarily a complex one. It starts with understanding your specific needs. Then, it's about choosing the right software, integrating it with your existing systems, and perhaps most importantly, training your team to use it effectively.
Training is key then. How do companies ensure their teams are on board?
It's about showing the value, Bruce. When teams see how asset maintenance software can make their jobs easier and prevent those frantic moments of unexpected downtime, they're more likely to embrace it.
Makes sense. Now, looking ahead, where do you see the future of asset management and manufacturing going?
It's moving towards even more integration, Bruce. Think IoT, where machines communicate their status in real time. The future is about interconnected systems, where asset management is central to a manufacturing operations digital ecosystem.
Fascinating stuff, Alex. Thanks for sharing your insights. And to our listeners, thanks for joining us on Cryotos Maintenance Management. Stay tuned for more discussions on the latest in industry trends.